In 2024, the gig economy is alive and well. According to Statistica, about 56% of workers actually report working on 2 or more jobs or projects at the same time, and about 58% of workers report working 30 hours or less. So people are working more jobs, but the key to getting ahead is to work jobs that will allow you the flexibility to work smarter and work more efficiently. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some high-paying online jobs that you can work on your spare time as a freelancer, as a consultant, and take control of your work-life balance.
You draw me in slowly. Brown eyes stare at me. Oh.
Hi, my name is Wendy, and on this channel, I share content on business, productivity, and intentional living. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, do well to subscribe to this channel. Let's get straight into this video, shall we?
Stare at me. Oh.
First job I'm going to talk about is a technical virtual assistant. This one is actually easy to get into. All you need is some technical skills and ability to pay attention to the business needs. So what a technical support assistant does is that they offer administrative support to a business with a focus on technical skills. So maybe you have skills in using HubSpot, you have skills in managing emails, using MailChimp. There's a certain software that you know how to use, and a business require those technical skills. You're a perfect candidate to be a technical virtual assistant to them. And the earning potential for this job is about $30 to $50 an hour. And this is something that, you can do on the side, you can do as a freelance job.
Stare at me. Oh.
The next job I'm going to talk about is an e-commerce support specialist. And this is something that is really growing in demand. More and more people are getting to launch their online store, building their businesses, and they need a lot of help. I have an e-commerce store, and I know the work that goes into building the back end. If you're someone that has an e-commerce store, you know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of inventory, product description, product listings that go into it. And a lot of businesses are managed, a lot of new small businesses are managed by a tiny team or a solopreneur. And these people constantly are looking for someone to help them to manage their online store. This could be doing things like product listing, product descriptions, writing product description, writing SEO blog posts, handling shipping, handling customer inquiries, just rendering general e-commerce support to online businesses. That is a really high demand skill, and that is a high demand career to get into right now. And the earning potential for this, you can start out at about $20 to $40 an hour. And these skills are easy to learn. Again, utilize your learning platforms and you can learn the skills.
Stare at me. Oh.
That brings me to the very next gig that you can start from home, and that is becoming a digital marketing manager. Now with this one, of course, you can get a full-time role in the company as a marketing manager, but for me, I love flexibility. I love the ability to manage different projects and work on my own time. So if you're someone like that you really want to hone in on your time, utilize your talents, and bring in the big bucks, then this will be a good one to go into consulting. So if you have a background in marketing, you have a background in communication, or even if you don't have a background, these are skills that you can actually absolutely learn with lots of tools that are available out there. One of the good platforms to learn marketing skills is HubSpot. HubSpot, well, they're not sponsoring this video, but I have personally benefited from taking their courses, learning their CRM management, learning their marketing workflows, email management systems, and just different things that you can bring, different value that you can bring to a business.
Stare at me. Oh.
The next gig that you can do straight from the comfort of your home and earn some good money is to become a video editor. Video editors are such in high demand, and what I love about video editing is that you can actually be in one place. Like, you can literally work in multiple countries, multiple places, editing their videos. Like, there are platforms for that now, and the earning potential is really high for video editors, and they're such in high demand. A lot of people have YouTube channel, and apart from YouTube channel, even companies, they need video editors for their marketing pieces, for their marketing materials, for their reels, for their short form content. And if you think about it, a lot of these companies have platforms to promote their products and services, and they're constantly looking for people freelancers and consultants, or people that just run their own business, to handle that video aspect for them. If you're a creative person and things like crafting, engaging reels and shorts and motion graphics sounds interesting to you, then go ahead and learn it. So the next gig that you can start straight from your home is to be a podcast manager. And this one is a great one to get into because a lot of people are looking for someone to edit their audio files, to manage a production schedule, book guests, ensure quality of their audio. And if that sounds like something that you really have interest, because for me, I think that whatever gig or whatever thing you really want to go into, they have to be a certain level of interest, and then that would encourage you to learn the skills. And the earning potential for this one is about $30 to $50 an hour working as a podcast manager. So the final one I'm going to talk about is becoming an online community manager. So with this one, you need to have skills in using certain platforms like Facebook groups or Instagram, and being able to manage different communities, because with people that have large platforms, companies that have thousands and tons of followers, even people that don't have that much followers, they're always in need of someone who will manage your community, ensure accurate communication with their customers, and keep that line of engagement flowing. So if you're someone that is good in communication, good with conflict resolution, good at crisis management, this will be a good one to get into. And the earning potential for being an online community manager is about $20 an hour to about $40 an hour. And you will always, with this particular one, there will always be need for this because people are constantly looking for ways to manage their communities and really streamline their process. So if you've made it to this point in this video, I hope you found this video valuable. And if you did, do leave me a comment or subscribe to this channel to stay connected. I'll catch you in the next one.
You draw me in slowly.